Hello, guys. Great to see you again. We have another great evening, and that's a day 7 already. So it's like 1 week. We're doing almost every day, daily vlogs and thoughts, things like that, guys. And today I have something special. I installed some external packs with great sounds from Ableton that was together in the deal, like together with Ableton, some sound packs. So I was actually looking through them today, and I installed some. 1 second, guys. Sorry, I didn't change my camera, of course, but there are here. That's the packs. So I installed some of them, not all, because there's a lot of them. Some of them we need to buy, but I get some of them like this and that together with the Ableton pack. For example, we get that upright piano. We need some classical piano. That was something that I was missing. We get this the synths piano, but it was something different. I needed something else. And also, guys, yesterday we did a pretty good sounds there. Pretty good sounds with the little rain feeling sound, which was great, and some voices. But also, guys, I have some pack with the voices. We're gonna go and browse today. I might need to put my alarm, guys, to don't make that video too long. My beautiful music allergy already start. It's not allergy, it's just like when I talk something about I'm excited about, and then I'm just, I don't know, it's crazy. But like, go, guys, let's gonna explore some sounds. So I love that. It's like a ritual. We're gonna explore something new and that no one explored yet. I mean, here I didn't explore them just yet. Okay, chop and swing, core library. That was, I think, it was something already installed. Creative extensions, inspired by nature, guys. Wow, that could be good. Skitter and step, that's the one there. I like that graphic. Spectral textures, upright piano, and voice box. And there's some packs that we can get. So we can just click and that will install. That's cool. I didn't see that. Synth Essential. Ooh. Let's just click this. Okay, Synth Essential is downloading. It's gonna be interesting too, but guys, I wanna explore the piano first. And then maybe we go see the voice box and compare with, we create something together with the piano and voice box. Oh my god, and we play with some filter, effects. That's gonna be wow. I think so. I have some good feeling about it, guys, but let's go. So how this samples are constructed. There the folders like samples, utility, pedal notes, piano pedal trigger. That's some maybe that's some bonuses. We have instruments. That's the one. Let's put that audio. No, we have to put that guy into MIDI. I hope everything works together. Let's see. First, we can, if the red button is here, which means I'm recording. Yes, it is. That's classic piano, guys. Love that. and still we can adjust some stuff there. I'm sorry. Again, always, every day the same, which is good. I love that. That's the best piano sounds. Classic. There's nothing else. And what if I? Ooh. We need to get some rhythm. That's cool. But what if I move reverb time like that? Nothing. Hamster? Hammers. Okay. Attack. This attack is not good. It doesn't attack anything. Okay, but we have the piano, right? That's nice. Clean. And what is in the samples then? A long pedal piano? That's samples, right? Or what's that? That's audio. The other one was MIDI, guys. We have audio here. Oh no. Yeah. I can still play. How does it work? Okay, I not really understand what's that there. It's still. I don't know, guys. But we have a piano in the first column in our arrangement view, no, session view. Phew. Oh man. That's some pedals and MIDI clips. Cool. But that's someone already played it. You can just maybe modify them. Space, it stopped this. Yeah. Okay, that was the piano. And what about spectral textures and voice box, guys? We have effects as well. We have a basic vocal effect racks. I don't know how it works, but I could add them here to the piano. Yes, guys, we can. That's something. Oh, that's better. And my fears never works. That's strange. Okay. Not the best pianist just yet, guys. So, forgive me, but no, I'm not gonna forgive you for anything. It's just some exploring and playing, right? It's okay. But where we are, voice box. That's effects, right? So we're not gonna get any sounds. We just applied them to existing sounds. Like, let's try something. Why not? I would like to record my voice inside the session view. We are in session view. Yeah, like that is session. That's arrangement. Arrangement is a little bit easier, I think, to record my voice, but let's do that in session. Let's record some samples. We already did that before, and I know we need to click here, audio, and make that. You see, he's already catching my voice there. Okay, let's record something. I guess I click that, and I click that. Hello, hello. It's recording. Not yet. I think I need to record. Oh, yes, actually there is something. Guys, there's something going on here. That. Hello, hello. It's recording. Not yet. It's just going up and down. We already resolved that before, and I forget again what's happened here. Something. That. Hello, hello. It's recording. Not yet. I forgot what was that. Next time, guys, when I resolve that, what's happening here, we need to make a note. Hello, hello. It's recording. Not yet. I think I need to record. It's just like edgy. My voice is very edgy, like something. It's I don't know what's the name in English. Let's check, guys. Yes. Napoleon. Jerky voice, right? Jerky. Jerky beef. Jerk. Interesting. Yeah, I don't think it's the right word, but guys, it's okay. So we have that voice here in some like a piano. I can play that. Yes. Hello, hello. It's recording. Not yet. I think I need to record. It was actually recording. Yes, actually, okay, I have my voice. I'm not happy about that. I would like to have my voice recorded better. It's already there. It's a matter of nah. What else if we record that here in that track? Do we have more controls? There's off, monitoring. Not really. I don't really remember, guys, what we did last time. Oh, what's that there? Let's just try, okay? Always the best way is to just jump, and then the net will appear, guys. But don't be too crazy with jumping, of course, just like, where you always hesitate, or I should start or not. Yeah, you should start then. It's always best way to kind of start than waiting and thinking. So let's go, guys. Let's record that voice sample. I was standing behind that glass. Let's try. Let's make zoom. We know how to make great zooms, right? Yo, zoom. I was standing behind that glass. Still jerky. Okay, why it's like that? I don't really remember. I have just sense of feeling that I record once my voice and it was good. I don't know what we really did, guys. I really don't know. But what we try. Where my voice is jerky. Master. What that could be. That's us corresponding to my voice, right? Maybe there was something with here. In preferences. There was something like inside, I mean record. Phew, exclusive arm solo, armor tracks, clips. I don't think so, it was here, but let's try. Trigger, global. Maybe there is some tick button to have jerky voice or not. I don't think so, but let's check. Plugins, not yet. Look, feel. Oh, audio. Yes, we have audio input device. That's our microphone. Wave and the X. Maybe that the X, guys. Maybe. Input configuration. No. Output. No. We have already high quality. Test tone volume. Yes, that's. I know some people say it's ASIO is the better, but always when I have ASIO, I open Ableton, I can't really do anything on my PC. It means like my sounds doesn't work outside the Ableton. That's everything works good in Ableton, but outside is no sounds, like nothing works. So I prefer have that MMI direct MAE direct X and have sounds in Ableton and outside my computer as well. You know, it's always better, a better deal. Okay, guys, but we are sitting in settings and we don't create, right? That's not good. We should do quickly with the settings. So let's remember, guys, I know that we change DirectX, it's okay, but the audio input device we change from wave to DX because that's the same name of my microphone, USB PNP audio device. So that one will be now. And let's try, guys. Let's remove that jerky. Where are you? Where is the late? I don't see. Yes, okay, great. Everything is the same as it was. I was standing behind that glass. I think it's good, guys. I was standing behind that glass. Yes. Yes, we have that, guys. Yeah. So basically we should just change microphone to don't have a jerky voice. We should change a microphone, but I think I will remember that, but will be good to make a note because I like to make a notes. I have lots of notebooks to make notes. I like making notes, so let's make a note. I will do my notes in the green book, which is what you call that, desired? No. Oh my goodness! Again, I forgot the English words today, guys. Sorry. What we gonna make that? But I need to check that. Desired, intended. Yeah. So we have a green notebook like that. Nice cover, jungle, nature, soul. Yes, that's why. So this notebook is intended to kind of music-related notes. So I have a note, for example, add some French sample voices. That's just in general because French language is kind of nice for me. It sounds good. Okay, so we're gonna make notes together now. What if you have a jerky voice in Ableton? If I have jerky voice, just here, jerky voice in Ableton, I should change my mic settings in input devices, that's important, to the X from wave, because from wave arrow, not good, jerky. And doesn't matter how it look the notes, the matter is always just we have to read that again. Not good because make jerky voice. Now we have yes, nice notes. Yeah, so notes are always good, guys. That's a final note. I mean, looks like that. So maybe just check quickly because we already have that in hand. What was the last note? Ableton drums. Okay, that's some interesting drums, just some specific names. Lana Del Rey. I like Lana Del Rey, yes. She have very good mood in her song. Elephant, that's a great guy on YouTube. He have a great tutorial about Ableton and some Ableton Live specifically. It's a little bit advanced for me, but I still enjoyed watching sometimes. Itro, it was one teacher that was doing some tutorials on Ableton, and I kind of enjoyed too, but not that much. That was okay. Yes, he has a lot of instruments and he have a good passion about that everything. And yeah, okay guys, we are going again away from our sounds. That means there's something great awaiting. If there's lots of digression, that means the main subject is too interesting and we just floating away, you know. Yeah, that's happens sometimes like that. Okay guys, we are in the voice is resolved. We have a sample voice and another situations, guys. We want to, oh, maybe yes, better. Oh no, the effects are here. Yeah, that's our voice. We are in number 3, so let's drop some effects that we are talking about, guys. So okay, we are in the sound packs called packs. We go into the voice box and then we open audio effects racks. Let's try them. Basic mixing. I'm not sure if I'm interested with basic mixing. If that was called crazy mixing, I would like definitely drag and drop that, right? Let's go check just for yeah, I still have a little bit problems with that line. I just get used to Premiere Pro. Like I was standing behind that glass. Whoa. Let's try without. I was standing behind that glass. Interesting. There's I noticed the change, yes. It's here. Depth. We get a more depth. What's that? Full, off, full. Okay, we have that. Vocal depth. Transparent, trick jar, stereo widening, spotlight. Let's check spotlight too. I was standing behind that glass. Oh, that's cool. Let's copy that, guys, because standing behind that glass. I was standing behind that glass. And third? I was standing behind that glass. Okay, it's a kind of backstage. I like that center stage. Alright, we can do like that. I was standing behind that glass. Okay. I already know, guys, that to switch, but because that's a piano, kind of like a piano, and we switching between them here on the bottom. That's our effects. I like effects. I love effects, guys. That's best. Like, but let's play now with other section, which is bright verb and ethereal vocal. Ooh. We have 3 effects now, guys. That's nice, huh? I was standing behind that glass. I was standing behind that glass. They're 3 the same. I was standing behind that glass. They should be the same. I was... Well, default. I was standing behind that glass. Let's cut that last section. How do I do? Just like that. Nice, nice. I understand the flow here. We have like the section like that, and then if we click twice, no, we just click here and we just select, like a click and hold and just select, we select and we delete then the section like that. So we can see like visually where the sound is coming and what we don't need from here. I was standing behind that glass. Oh, I love that. I was standing behind that glass. Let's check endless. I was standing behind that glass. Wow. Oh man, guys, you can imagine that we can do with that effect everyone sound like it's existing, and we can create an Ableton. Just in Ableton, no using outside plugins, nothing like that, just Ableton stuff. I don't know why, but I don't wanna get distracted because I get easily distracted with stuff. Like if I, for example, few days ago, actually, there was a summer promotion for native instruments. It's very expensive, like complete standard. There is like a basic standard, and then was like I show you guys on the they're looking sexy, cool and nice, the visuals and the promise of that give you when you read the descriptions, like complete native. I was just every day like at work, like, you know, I have some little bit just to refresh my mind. I opened the browser and I was just looking through them, like, see the prices, it's crazy, like 600. But the time of the summer promotion, guys, there was like a complete 14 standard and the full version price was like half, so it was 300. So wow, I was like, oh my god, that's 300, it's just like half. Oh my god, what that's occasion, that's so sexy, the visual and what I can do with that, it's crazy. But really, guys, it's a lot of stuff, and that's, you know, that's for professional guys. Like, we have, this is great, for example. Wow. But then I was looking through these amazing things that you can do, and I was like, wow. But if maybe I need some new keys, like, you know, and then keys another 300. Oh man, no thanks, I'm not really earning any extra money on music or YouTube and things like that. Like, so it's just, you know, we're gonna keep what we have, you know. That's the main principle of beginner that beginner should stick to it, you know. If we explore fully Ableton, all the stuff there, which would take a lot, I guess, then maybe I could consider myself buying some like other outside company filters, instruments and effects and keys, you know. That would be nice someday, but like not at the beginner. So because I'm gonna throw everything, and then I'm gonna have my wallet empty, and then I'm gonna have my head too full with possibilities. Like, we didn't even explore like 5% of Ableton, I guess, until today. I have a itchy nose, guys. That's mean we should create something. Yes, and something really outstanding waiting for us there inside Ableton. Okay. All right. So what is the feeling today? What do we want to do? We have a voice. We have some special great effects that we already explore a little bit. But I want to today, it's like our time is finishing, so I would like to put something together again. So I was thinking about, we have the new sounds, we have some spectral texture. Let's see that one, guys. Again, we have ambient. I love ambient and evolving. I like evolving too, but maybe this is something else here. Wow. Okay, that I love that, but ADG, what's that then? It's a what? Again, I don't feel comfortable with instruments. I feel more comfortable there. Here, we have a piano here, and let's put this here. It works. Yeah, but doesn't really bring anything. Maybe that's effects. Or maybe it's no. Oh yeah, MIDI. It's coming like that. Yes, remember this? No, it doesn't work. Or maybe works. No. So what's that then? Something for some synths or something? Or time, guys. But today I was a little bit, I used few digressions, so we can extend the time a little bit today because it's quite exciting evening. I can hear that here. Okay, maybe the corner maybe should say something. Drag a file from here to load in your live set. Not really. Yeah, I think it's there. It's the same, right? Oh yeah. Okay, it's like an instrument, I guess. Sounds. We have effects, of course. Effects are always welcome in our space. Experimental. Okay, oh, I love that experiments. But we're looking for the sounds of rain again, guys. Maybe there's something more up here, but I don't think so. Rain. Creative. See, guys, that's interesting. When we put some phrase in the search there, we get like sections where we find the rain. So in core library, see, guys, at the end of the thread, it's a rain. That's nice, right? So if we go again here, instrument, poly, effects, ghost rain. Oh my goodness, ghost rain. I need to put that into my voice. That's something that cannot be avoided, guys. Ghost rain. Let's go. No, we need to select now. Click here, and then our effects appear. Oh no, I can't drop my effects here. That's an effect. Maybe this effect is more into MIDI, like our piano. Let's check, guys. Yes, that's an effect for MIDI. That's cool then. Okay, he's... Wow. Oh. It looks good. What kind of sound we operating here? That's an alarm sound. Okay, but we get the idea for the rain, right? What the rain? Bouncy Notes presents rain. Ooh. That's like that? Oh, click and drag to create a wall. But that's a ghost rain again. That's some kind of high-end effects, guys, that we don't really know how it works. Yeah, I think it's a bit experimenting for today evening. Skitter and step. That's a nice sound that we. Oh, look, guys, there's 3 threads: tonal, percussion. Okay, that's kind of like a radio. Yeah, but it's cool. How do I do with that? What I can do? Audio? I'm not sure, guys. It was an effect or what? ALC. Okay, all right. That's we can change to arrangement and drag and drop. Okay. See, now we have some arrangement. Interesting. Let's try. Oh, I have a lot of effects here. That's goes. That's too much here. Where's the volume? Okay, that's a little bit too heavy for me. I don't know how to operate. What's that sound there now? Interesting. But we already passed our half an hour, guys. I don't know. Maybe we continue tomorrow because we are getting inside very interesting stuff here, and there's still lots of rain sounds to explore. Rain synth. That's oh man, that's good. That's good. Rain synth. I can just replace Ghost Rain. No problem. Oh, I don't know. Yes, that's a synth, so that should be some effect to maybe existing synth or something. Okay, guys, I think we continue tomorrow because evening getting late again. I already developed my body to sleep 5 hours, so tomorrow morning's work, and then I have a gym, and after gym I will be here with you guys, and yeah. Now after gym we're gonna eat something, and then we try to record something great, right? Explore more sounds. I will maybe do something at work, some research about that, how it works, all the sounds, and we will have some great fun tomorrow, guys. So thank you very much for today, and thanks, guys, again, and see you tomorrow in number 8. That was number 7. Thanks so much, guys, and see ya.